Welcome to Tuesday at 2 Real Estate Today Live. I have a great message for you today. If you're a buyer, you know that you've got to be quick, you've got to be ready, you've got to go. I had a situation a couple of days ago. An old client called me from out of town, and she said, Marjorie, I'm moving back to the area. I want to look at some houses. Can you look at a few for me? I think I might be ready to buy a place and move back to D.C. So I said, sure, of course I can. So she called me up and she said, Marjorie, I want to make an offer. All right, she hadn't even looked at the house. So I went over to the house with my smartphone. We took a nice video. We looked in all the corners. We looked at everything very carefully. We got a home inspector over there. This was probably on a Thursday. And the agent said, or a Friday, Thursday or Friday, she wanted to have open houses over the weekend and take a look at offers on Monday. Well, let me just tell you this. My client wanted this house. She knew the area. She knew what she was looking at. She had the home inspection. She knew what she was buying, and she knew that it was underpriced. So what we did is we came up with what was a really good price for the house. There were no contingencies because her financing was set and the home inspection was done. So I called the agent. We wrote an amazing offer, and I said, hey, got an amazing offer for you. And the agent said to me, oh, well, we want to look at offers on Monday. I don't think I want to look at it. Well, anyway, I said whatever it is I say in a situation like that, and she signed it. She signed the contract. So she didn't have her open house on Saturday. She didn't have her open house on Sunday. She didn't have her contract presentations on Monday. So my message to you is, if you're a buyer, if you're out of town, you can have an agent who you trust. I know it's a little scary. I mean, it worked out for us. And get your home inspection done in advance. Get all your ducks in a row. And make the offer that you would have made on Monday, but make it even a little bit better. And then you can avoid the pile of people doing it with them and just go get it. So make sure you got all your ducks in a row. Make sure you've got a really strong agent that can help you get what you need to stop the clock, all right? And if you don't, call Marjorie Dick Stuart at 240-731-8079, all right? It's tough being a buyer, but you can buy. There are houses out there, and there's some really good strategies. So give me a call if I can help, or get out there and go do it. Tell your friends, spread the video around. If you need some help, give me a buzz, shoot me an email, and we'll see you next week, Tuesday at 2, What's Working Now Live.